Today's the day. We're gonna reach the top of that. Wish us luck. So we've lived here almost a year now, and that entire year I've wanted to hike up to this one peak. So today's gonna be the day we finally do it.
We're almost out of the neighborhood, and I can't wait to go all the way to that mountain. We're probably going to find us some treasure or some gold up there. We go to the mountain. We can make.
Go through this hole that I'm making. Be careful.
Why is that video?
Because there's a lot of it out here.
So we are by like the mountain, and right over there you'll see a teeny tiny little castle. You can see it over there, and we are just starting our hike. Come over, Daddy. I know where you're going.
Keep going. We'll find a place to take a little snack break.
A long way from here.
Yep.
We do this way or that
We
way?
gotta go this way. Good thumbs up, guys. So I went to go set up a time lapse while the kids took a little snacky break, and I realized that I lost my Joby tripod somewhere on the trail. So I'm gonna just run down a little bit and see if I can find it. Well, I made it down to the beginning of the trail and I can't find it, so we're just gonna have to hope that it's there and nobody took it. Now I'm running back up the trail to get the kids. I wouldn't say this is like an incredibly difficult hike, but it's kind of challenging. It's got a good grade. And I'm huffing and puffing now. See, you made it. Yeah.
I can't.
I can help you. We can do it. I'll help you.
Good job.
Doing an awesome job. We don't give up, right? Why don't we give?
Never give up.
That's right. Shays never give up.
And do we try? Goodness, no. We keep on walking.
Oh, we're so close.
Oh, yeah.
I can smell it. Oh, we're so close, guys.
No, I can do it. Wow!
Was this worth it, guys?
This is awesome!
Was this worth it or what? Wow.
We're 100,000 people.
We made it, guys.